1989 Chevy Caprice. She's sitting on a set of 26-inch wheels. She got the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Interior is nice and clean. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. She got a few dings that probably could be PDR. She's in overall great shape. Let's check her out. And she does have pearl in the paint. Dual exhaust. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. And she is wired for sound. She has power windows, power locks, digital gauge cluster, aftermarket steering wheel, seats nicely done. Headliner nice and clean. And she does have the stars. I will show y'all on startup. Dash. Upper. Lower. Back seat nice and clean. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. AC blow code. Y'all go and visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Running good, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.